Hey guys, Skagsy here. Today we have this pretty old case knife. We're going to see if I can get it polished up and looking pretty good again. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Well, here's a before of a bolster that's not been buffed probably for 40 years. And then here's the after. You can just about read what my hat says in this one. Pretty sweet. Wow, check this out. I started doing the covers. I started doing the covers. Check this out. Look at the color in this one. I don't know, it's like a red and yellow. That is so cool. Beautiful bone. Wow. And then this other side is mostly yellow. But that is just so amazing. There's a little burr on it still, but it's way better than it was before. Well, guys, here it is. There's the after. I'm very happy with how it turned out. Yeah, this was a lot of fun to do. I hope it was fun to watch. It was really a lot of fun to do, and if you guys would like to see me do something like this in the future, please let me know, and I'll gladly do another one. This was very fun. And by the way, as you can see, this is a 9-dot, so it's a 1981. And it doesn't say case or anything above the USA because this was an Appaloosa, or because this was a horse bone. And I looked it up, and I guess that it just didn't say it just didn't say case on the main blade for some of the horse bone handle ones for some reason. But anyway, guys, thanks very much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, it was really fun to do, and I will do it again. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a lot of fun. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.